Family politics is too damn weird. Brumelda Zuma is to replace Duduzile Zuma in parliament. So Umkhonto weSizwe Jacob Zuma's party as a replacement for his daughter. His daughter is going to replace his daughter in parliament.
The daughter of MK Party President Jacob Zuma.
Yes, Brumelda is President Zuma's daughter. She's got a degree in public administration and activist in her own right, and she's been doing a lot of work since the inception of Umkhonto weSizwe to be where it is today. She should bring that wealth of experience, in terms of communication as well, where she has worked before.
Even the former Minister of Police, Bongani Mkongi, is being sworn in the MK Party in Parliament. So I didn't know this guy joined Umkhonto weSizwe, because last time I checked he was at the ANC, but after his remarks when he said that Johannesburg is overrun by illegal immigrants and the whole city is no longer being controlled by South Africans, he was fired within the ANC. It was so controversial at that time, but now we can see that he was just ahead of his time. He was on the right side of history, but ahead of his time. We're just discovering these things now. But I think Joburg, besides it being overrun by illegal immigrants, I think the mafias, the heavy mafias that are staying in Johannesburg, some of them definitely they're working with politicians. That's why Johannesburg is not really being cleaned the way it's supposed to be cleaned. Like going inside Hillbrow, like the drug dens, the hardcore criminals in Joburg. So yeah, but anyways, Umkhonto weSizwe has new parliamentarians. It's a good day for them.
Parts of Johannesburg had been completely taken over by foreign nationals and they needed to be removed. He clashed with then Police Minister Fikile Mbalula and the South African Human Rights Commission.
No, I still stand for those comments, because those comments, they resonate with the people on the ground. They do not resonate with the elite of the ANC. So that is why the ANC was angry with